Hey, so this video is about this 10th generation iPad. Now, my son purchased this iPad for my 93-year-old mother. So that is how easy it is to use. Now, granted, she is very tech savvy for her age, but she is able to get on here and now, in the comfort of her couch, be able to get on Facebook, do her Instacart, even read books if she chooses. She can feed through the mail, she can feed through the news, all from the comfort of her couch. You do have to do a little bit of setup when this arrives, but it was very simple that she was able to complete that on her own. So if she can do it, anybody can do it. This is a 10.9-inch screen. This is very lightweight, as you can see, and we got it in this dashing red color. So this is a great iPad, very economically priced, and it's only a 64 gigabyte, but it is not necessarily good for gaming or anything like that, but for what she uses it for, this is a perfect fit. Matter of fact, I'm in the process of getting myself one of these as well. So this is a great deal for the price, and that is my honest opinion.